Hey YouTube, Silver to Burn here. I'm working on another sterling silver sword. Just going to do a little soldering here. I wrapped silver wire around the handle. Now I'm going to put a little solder in the front and a little bit in the back to hold the two ends. I have the whole piece coated in borax just to help prevent fire scale. This is sterling silver piece that I refined, so it's 94, 95, 96% silver. Has a little bit of impurities in there, I bet. So fire scale is when you get done with your piece and you have a little bit of blackness on the metal. You have to file it out to get rid of it. If you coat the whole thing in borax like that, it kind of gives it a shield over the whole piece. It's also the flux for right down in here. So right now I'm heating up the whole piece nice and evenly. Have some solder here. It's Argentium silver solder. We place it right on top down there. You start concentrating the heat right in that area, and it's solder will drop down in there. Heat the solder up like that, it turns into a little ball. You can get it to jump on the end of your solder pick. I need to flip this over somehow. I know it's really hot. So actually, I want to lay it on its side. Right there. We'll put a little more flux right there. I'm going to pick up this little ball of solder that's laying down here. Heat the pick up just a little bit and it'll jump right on there. Like that. You place it right where you want it. Warm it back up again. Warm up the whole thing. Place your solder. Hold it down with your pick. Should be good to go. It's going to be cool, like a Bowie knife. I'm going to stick it in that pickle. Clean it up. This stuff's nice and hot. So is that. Cool it off some. It's good to put it in there while it's still warm though. Helps clean it off faster. Okay, I'm going to pull it out of the pickle here in a second. This stuff is strong stuff. What? Chew. Swish it around in there. Comes out nice and white. Rinse it off a couple times. Kind of hard to display it here. Sharp too. It's like a razor right in the tip. Took me about 6 hours to make this. I had to pour the ingot and pound the daylights out of it. I made the silver wire. It's half round. Put that around there. Once I shine it up, it's going to be really cool. Alright, thanks YouTube. Comment, like, subscribe. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. Adios. Peace.